Director General Lahore Development Authority Ahmed Aziz Tarad Monday briefed the builders and developers of Karachi about the ease of doing business reforms through video link and apprised them of the measures taken by the LDA for encouraging the construction sector under the Prime Minister's vision. The DG informed that approval of residential, commercial, industrial, and warehouse building plans and issuance of completion certificates are being ensured within 30 days only. The permission of change in land use is being granted within 45 days. He told that timelines are being strictly adhered to for this purpose. An e-Khidmat center has been established for expeditious processing of the application. The DG said the condition of planning permission has been removed for facilitating approval of the private housing scheme within 60 days. The sponsors of the housing schemes do not have to wait for final approval of the scheme to sell the plots. The sale and purchase of plots has been allowed after the payment of prescribed fees and technical approval of the scheme. To promote business activities, the increase in commercial area of the schemes has been allowed, while the Environment Department has removed the NOC requirement for final approval. DG further said under the land acquisition rules, the facility of acquiring land up to 10% by paying market rate has also been provided. Besides, permission has been granted to provide graveyard space within 5 kilometers of the residential scheme. The construction of recreational campaign park, amusement park, orchard, small zoo, golf course, and playground has also been allowed in the housing schemes. And it has been declared necessary to plant 10 trees per canal to make the housing schemes environmental friendly. DG further said change in land use regulations by the LDA would result in a boost in business activities. Ahmed Aziz Tarad further said the establishment of mosques, clubs, hospitals, and daycare centers in the residential zone has been allowed to facilitate the provision of basic necessities and to improve the quality of housing. He said 5% discount has been given on payment of full commercialization fee of the plot, and the period for payment of commercialization fee has been increased to 3 years instead of 2 years. He said in order to expand the existing businesses, buying adjacent land has been allowed. Representatives of Association of Builders Lahore, Engineer Akbar Sheikh, Mia Tahir Javed, Hafiz Mia Muhammad Noman were also present in the briefing. Besides, Chief Metropolitan Planner Sayyid Muhammad Nadeem Akhtar Zaidi and Chief Town Planner Tariq Mahmood also participated in the meeting.